Hey there, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing, the latest release by Mark over at Long Island Watch, the ISL 79 for you Islander watch fans. It is a little bit of a departure from his normal fare. A lot of his releases are very SKX-like, and this diver was a little bit different than his usual fare, like I said. Kind of a cushion square case diver, so I thought that was interesting. I really was interested in the bracelet here. You have this beads of rice style of bracelet, and Mark had mentioned in his video that it was the case was a very Panerai like, not Luminor for sure. I own a Luminor, maybe Radomir. I will definitely take a look into that. But you have this bluish green dial color, and I'll throw in an outdoor shot here after I size it up. It is not sized up for my wrist yet, of course, 'cause I just pulled it out. But bezel action so far so good. It looks like you have Marine Master hands here for Seiko, so a little mixing up of Seiko elements and quote-unquote Panerai elements here. Looks like this bezel is ceramic. The lume is probably really good as typical, and it is a cutout dial, so you do have a lumed dial underneath the bluish green dial here. So the lume will probably look a little bit different than you're normally used to from his previous releases. Anyway, guys, I'll throw this on wrist here, but I'm gonna, like I said, do an outdoor shot so you can see. The sun's out today, so you probably get a good view of the dial in this unboxing. But I will be doing a review on this shortly, and I will see you guys then. Take care.